Installing a rack controller. Tools. Personal protective equipment. Remove cables bound on the outside of the ESS. Install the upper and lower brackets to the rack controller. Install the rainproof canopy and mounting ears to the rack controller. Remove the M12 and M8 screws from the mounting bracket. Install the rack controller. Tighten the screws on both sides. Remove the decorative cover and maintenance compartment cover from the rack controller. Install the short-circuiting copper bars delivered with the product. Install the magnetic rings to the VAT bus cables and bind the cables using a cable tie. Install the VAT bus cables to the rack controller. Install the J1 and J2 cables to the rack controller. Install the FE1 cable to the rack controller. Install the maintenance compartment cover and decorative cover to the rack controller, and place the magnetic rings. Install the protective cover delivered with the product and bind the cables. Connect a PE cable to the left or right protective cover.